Hello friends, welcome to our channel RK Career Solution Training Academy, your one-stop solution for all your career counseling needs and all your inquiries about career options. So today's video, as we have made an earlier video on courses after 12th Science PCM, so today we are making a list of courses after 12th Science PCB. Okay, so फ्रेंड्स आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू कि अब खाली ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने अगर पीसीबी से साइंस करी है तो उसके बाद आप खाली डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं. टुडे आई एम ब्रिंगिंग यू अ लिस्ट ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 32 कोर्सेज विच यू कैन डू आफ्टर टेकिंग पीसीबी इन 12th. फाइन, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द कॉमन वन, the common one which is MBBS. Okay, so आज मैं आपको फुल फॉर्म बता दूं पहले. बैचलर ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड बैचलर ऑफ सर्जरी. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स को फुल फॉर्म भी नहीं पता होती कभी कभी, बस उनको ये पता होता है हमें MBBS करना है. तो MBBS स्टैंड्स फॉर बैचलर ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड बैचलर ऑफ सर्जरी. So according to HRD ministry, the HRD minister has given the date for the national eligibility exam, NEET, that is 13 September. Okay, that is for all the medical aspirants, those who are applying for NEET exam. So the NEET date has come for the examination, which is 13 September 2020. Okay, again it has been postponed due to COVID-19 this year. So then I will be making a separate video on the entrance exams about each and every stream, and when are the dates of the exams, when the results will be out. That will be in another video, but in today's video I am just giving you about the NEET exam would be held on 13 September 2020. Fine, then we come to the next course, which is BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Okay, then we have third course, which is B Pharma, Bachelor of Pharmacy. BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurveda, Medicine and Surgery. टू बी ऑनेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको बताऊँ, आज जब मैं वीडियो बना रहा था, जब ये मैं सब कुछ लिख रहा था, तो मुझे आज ही पता चला कि इतने कोर्सेज हैं. मैं भी यही सोचता था कि अराउंड 5 to 10 होंगे, बट टुडे आई ऑल्सो गॉट टू नो कि इतने सारे कोर्सेज आप कर सकते हैं आफ्टर टेकिंग PCB इन 12th. देन हम फोर्थ कोर्स, बैचलर ऑफ आयुर्वेदा, मेडिसिन एंड सर्जरी. Then we have Pharma D, that is Doctor of Pharmacy. Then we have BSc, Bachelor of Science. Before going forward मैं आपको बता दूं कि फ्रेंड्स मैं इन सब पे प्रॉपर एक डिटेल वीडियो बनाऊंगा. इसलिए मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूं, अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए. हमारी आने वाली सीरीज़ में, नेक्स्ट एपिसोड्स में हम पूरी डिटेल बनाएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे MBBS है तो कौन कौन से टॉप कॉलेजेस हैं MBBS के, कौन कौन से एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम होते हैं, कौन कौन से यूनिवर्सिटी के एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम होते हैं, उनकी फ़ीस क्या होती है, कौन से गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस हैं, कौन से प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस हैं, कितनी रैंक आने पे, कितने स्कोर आने पे आपको गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस मिलती है, एंड व्हेन द काउंसलिंग सेशन स्टार्ट्स. हम ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल विल बी कवर्ड इन आर अपकमिंग सीरीज. ओके, तो ऐसे में सारे कॉलेजेस की, सारे कोर्सेज की आपको डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन दूंगा. बहुत सारी वीडियोज़ बनेगी, बहुत मेहनत लगेगी, बट अपने सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए आई कैन डू एनीथिंग. सो let's talk about the seventh course, which is BHMS, that is Bachelor of Homeopathy, Medicine and Surgery. Then we come to the eighth course, which is BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Then there are diploma courses in paramedical. Okay, and then we have other diploma courses. There are many types of diploma courses which I will be covering in the upcoming videos. Then we have BUMS, Bachelor of Unani, Medicine and Surgery. Okay, then we have BASLP, Bachelor of Audiology, Speech Language Pathology. Then we have BOT, Bachelor of Occupational Therapy. Then we have BOptum, Bachelor of Optometry. उसके बाद हमारा है BRSC, Bachelor of Rehabilitation Science. Then we have BPO, Bachelor in Prosthetics and Orthotics. Then you can go for the management courses, like I told in the previous video of PCM. In same PCB also you can go for Bachelor of Business Administration. You can go for BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. Then you can go for Bachelor of Business Studies. Then we have BIBF, Bachelor of International Business and Finance. Then we have BELED, Bachelor of Elementary Education. Then we have diploma, DPED, diploma in physical education. Then we have integrated BEd courses. We have integrated law courses. We have Bachelor of Hotel Management. Then we have Bachelor of Vocation. Then you can go for also BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. Then we can go for Bachelor of Arts. Then we have BGMC, Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. We have BSW, Bachelor of Social Work. Then we have DED, Special Education. And last, integrated special education courses. So these are the list of 32 courses which you can pursue after taking PCB in 12th, PCB stream in 12th. So friends, as I have told you, I will be making a separate video taking each and every course, telling you about the colleges, government colleges, private colleges. If abroad options also we have, study abroad. Like MBBS, we help students in counseling for MBBS in Russia, Ukraine, China, Philippines, Uzbekistan. So all these I will be covering in our upcoming videos. So that's why if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it now. Hit the bell icon so that any new video comes up, you can get the notification about it. I hope so today's video was knowledgeable to you. You have gained knowledge. If you were confused, you can make up your mind on what course you want to pursue, and if you were not aware of what all courses you can pursue, you have got the list of the courses. Stay tuned. Keep watching our upcoming videos. We will give you information about each and every course in detail. Thanks and have a good day.